in saving belief, I think we also have full of energy. I really ask your pardon, excuse me, because my English is not so good like English teacher in here. Because I'm really seldom using the, the communication every day, every time in my lifetime, in my workplace. I always use those bahasa Indonesia and bahasa Melayu. As you know, I know for sure everybody here in this institution, this school, know my special place to protect, to give more attention, pay more attention in the project. Bahasa Melayu, apa namanya good. I don't know, like food, right? Food, English food, like food, English. I specialize learning about food. So English is not everyday I use. It's my communication. But this I only want to show you that we are everybody here, although we stay in remote. Yeah, maybe excuse me if I say this remote because of far from town, from the capital of Mandalay, Indonesia. Even though we stay in here, far from the town, but we must show our ability, our skill, our ability, our capacity to become certain people, specific, special person. Boleh dan nanti baru saya. I want to know one of the audience can hands up just to say that you understand what I'm saying in one, two minutes. Somebody have a no, not for you, because I know for sure that to become a master of ceremony, maybe you have a special abilities. But among of the audience, I ask who have brave to hands up just to say so to me that you really understand, you will catch all the statement, all the speak that I did. Ada yang bisa? Oke, don't careful. Uh, once again, I would like to give all of you the great motivation. Kalau kata begini kan, jadi kita sudah, kalaupun kita tinggal di daerah, di pedesaan, jangan pernah merasa kecil. Seperti saya lahir, I was born in this region.
Permisi, Pak.
Region, in this area. I was born in the area. I was born in a remote country in this district, in this region of Mandalay district. But even though I was born in here, but I have a full spirit to reach my goal, to reach my dream, my big dream in the future. And the main key to reach our goal is start learning every day. Learning by doing. Jadi you must using your time, all of the time in your lifetime, to spend your lifetime to read, to learn, to read, and to write. Learn, read, write, and speaking. And as I know that in speaking English, there's a four area of area kemampuan bersih, ada empat area, four area of English speaking, English comprehension, English comprehension. First one is reading, the skill of reading, skill of speaking, listening, and writing. Yeah, four area, the main four area. If you study and learn, you apa namanya, menguasai itu, master, to be master in four area, the main area. I'm sure in the future you will become a leader. Leader, not a leader to one organization, but leader for yourself. Nah, jadi apa? Jadi pemimpin itu sendiri yang paling kurang. At least you become leader for yourself. If you can lead yourself in your lifetime, I'm not really sure. I guarantee you can become like apa mandiri Inggris.
Independent.
You become an independent person in your lifetime. So you not always depend on some others people. Jadi practice every day, practice, repetition. I think this is the method to karena kebetulan by the chance, I have a television broadcast, especially in Majalaya English. That which I named Keiko Bototem. A special channel for broadcast our culture, our tradition, especially in Bahasa. So, if you have time, and everybody here, every student in this institution, have Android, please, I really ask to subscribe, comment, share, and like. And really hope maybe for the teacher in here, for all the teacher, from the deepest, from the bottom of my heart, I really ask to help me to promote the television, because maybe this is the only one channel, special channel for apa namanya, protect, melestarikan bahasa special, because only from Southern Asia. I think that's make proud of, because from West Southern Asia we can build a special channel only for bahasa Melayu. Oke, kau betul nanti gitu, bantu apa maksudnya nanti subscribe. Kalau punya Android, tolong apa namanya, promote that to you all your family, in your family, spread out along around the globe. Jadi once again I need help. I need possibly help everybody here from the head of this school until si Vitas Akademika in here. Hopefully pray and support for this school. Jadi itu saya ngaji konteks berbeda. Sengaja saya tunjukkan sedikit saya punya kemampuan. Saya memang mungkin secara struktur saya punya bahasa Inggris mungkin tidak sesuai dengan tapi saya dulu menggunakan prinsip ini dalam bahasa Inggris. Just speak, bicara saja. Jadi apa yang ada dalam pikiran itu bicara saja. Don't think about the grammar at all. If you can speak in English, if you can presentation all the material in front of the people in English, you must have a main principle. Just speak, bicara saja. Dan don't think a lot about the grammar, because when we think about the grammar law, we cannot speak at all. Tapi lembar berpikir tentang dia punya struktur, tentang bahasa, kita dekat untuk bicara. Oleh karena itu pakailah prinsip just speak, bicara saja, katakan saja. Tompok apa? Renang. Jadi ketika dia lagi berhubungan dengan apa, bertemu dengan bule-bule, when you meet someone who come from the abroad, someone who come from abroad, foreigners, that we always say, just speak. They will be understand what they understand, because if we can speak their language, they really proud. Ya, mereka sangat senang kalau kita bisa tunjukkan bahasa Inggris sekalipun sepotong. Karena mereka punya bahasa. Mereka akan menyebut kita itu orang pintar, orang cerdas. Karena bahasa mereka kita bisa belajar. Oleh karena itu silakan tunjukkan, show your ability. Caranya itu dengan membaca. Kalau saya menggunakan pola ini, mendorong motivasi orang itu dengan baca, belajar, tulis, dan yang paling terakhir jangan lupa apa? Berdoa. Baca, belajar, tulis, dan never forget to pray to God. Because our life, Almighty God always protect us, guide us, to lead us to everywhere, especially when we want to reach our dreams. Jadi tolong tempatkan apa namanya, gantungkan cita-cita itu di otak dan jangan itu setinggi langit. Benar itu kalimat. Jangan kasih pendek atap cita-cita. Kalau kasih pendek atap cita-cita, maka kita punya usaha juga pendek, kecil. Makanya puji pada itu berapa bos? Dan mari guru yang empat nasional. Dia bilang tinggikan atap cita-citamu. Jadi apa namanya? Make your dream, make your goals, your roof or your goals, roof. You know your roof of your goals. Highest. Karena semakin tinggi atap cita-citamu, maka semangat berjuang itu semakin besar. Kami tahu kali gaya nada atap cita-cita. Kita punya upaya juga begitu saja. Jadi silakan adik-adik, jadi tetapkan goal yang paling tinggi, mimpi yang paling besar, rencana yang paling besar. Karena dengan rencana mimpi besar itu akan meningkatkan energi kita juga, semangat kita, gairah kita untuk bisa mencapai. Kita akan persembahkan dedikasi kita punya seluruh energi itu mencapai. Tetapi memang kira pendek sudah apa namanya, atau sistem kemudian capek bahwa bahasa Indonesia jadi gue pas negara seperti yang saya sudah sampaikan di dalam mas minister bahwa saya salah satu pencinta bahasa negara. Saya bersyukur juga pada hari ini ada bersama kita di Masius, karena beliau juga adalah salah satu tokoh budaya pada hari ini yang mungkin hadir juga selain memberikan motivasi juga akan memperbesar semangat adik-adik, anak-anak semua untuk juga mencintai. Setuju dengan apa yang disampaikan oleh Pak Supri tadi bahwa kita perlu mencintai bahasa Selandia Kompat Indonesia, tumbuh di sama Lopo, sudah di sama bahasa Kuliau Kalau. Kita boleh belajar bahasa Indonesia sebagai bahasa kesatuan bahasa Indonesia, bahasa asing. Tapi jangan lupa, karena Kuliau Kalau, Osang Mateluas, Natas Batilapan, Baik Mati Umam Batilapan, Golo Taruntu, baru matikan. Jangan lupa, kita lahir untuk besar di sini. Tahu pada kita di sini. Siapa yang menanda kita sampai itu? Kita punya orang tua, bapak dan mama. Dan ada satu bahasa yang mereka bahas, yang merupakan sebuah kekayaan. Apa kekayaan bahasa Kristen? Kekayaan. Ya? Rich. Oke, maksud kekayaan. Maka benar. Apa namanya? Semacam kekayaan terbesar. Karena menciptakan bahasa.